You're welcome to this tutorial. Now we want to start our design. We want to do a flyer design, and this is the flyer we are going to design on Pixellab. So I've imported everything, but I will try to start from the beginning for you guys, so you should actually get how I used all this to produce this flyer. Okay, let's start. Now you'll come to this side, press your default. I want to start from the beginning for you guys. After typing in the default, you delete this text. You change the size of the flyer. This is the size I want to use for my flyer. I'll make this one 010, and leave this height to remain the same while I change the width. So this is it. Then I'll import my first picture, which is the picture of that little girl. I use it as my background. This is it. Now click on OK. Come to this side to increase the size, the relative size. I want you to make it to be firm with the actual background size, the size of the flyer itself. So you can lock it. Good. Now draw your shape. You draw your shape. How can I draw my shape now? You draw your shape by coming to this plus, click on shape. Good. Now you expand this, put it down, come to color, down here to edit it, choose gradient. As I say, I've actually set my own down already, but I'll teach you how to set yours too. Now let me assume I choose any gradient. I want to reset this. I want to reset it. Let me choose the easy one for you guys. Okay, that is it. This one. Now I want to reset it. I'll make it click. I want it to be linear. So you click on this dark color. You come to your pick tool. I choose the color, any part of the color on our head. Just try to choose any color. Let me choose this one for this time. You can use any color. Just make sure you just choose any color from my hair. Okay, let me just choose this one because this is what I used previously. So you can even choose any of your own choice. So I choose that. I come to this other point here. I adjust this one to transparent it because this is transparent and this you to make it visible. You want to actually make your color to visible, you choose here. When you want to transparent that side, you transparent it through this side. So that is it. This one is for darker part, this one is for saturation, anti-saturation. So I will explain those one later. So I'll just adjust this one here and click on OK. You can see now it's been transparent. So you click on OK. Let me adjust it. I think I still need to increase this side more. I want to make it darker. Yeah, make the color to come out. Let me adjust it a little. Good. So this is it. This is it. Can you tell to adjust it a little again? Okay. I think it's okay. Like this. Now you type in your text. You're not able to stop interrupting. So you come to your text, clicking on a text. Sorry. Drag it down here, double click it, or you click on your edit and type in smile. Okay, now you type in smile. I think I'm not comfortable with this background because my mouth is not showing. I'm trying to design something on smile and my mouth is not showing. It's wrong. So I want to edit it. Sorry. Also the color rather. So I want to adjust this one down so that our mouth could show. Yeah. I think this okay. This okay. This okay. This one a little bit. That's all. There's one. So that is okay. If your mouth is showing. So you actually reflect what we're trying to, the message we're trying to pass. So let me click on this S and edit the text. You can adjust it to just type in your smile. ILE. Smile. Smile. You come and choose your font. You choose your font. Into your font. This is my font. I'm going to use the right font for it. Yeah, this is it. Go bold, up, high, low. That is the font I use. So you place it here between your nose. Okay. Give it color. You make the color lighter than the background color, which is the color I get it. So let me come to color. This is my color. And just come click on this plus, your pin to choose this color down here. Good, and adjust it to the lighter part. That's all. So that is it. You can see now this one is lighter than the one down. So that is it. You can even increase the brightness of your color. You click in here and come into your saturation. So that is it. Okay, now I think I'm satisfied with that. So you create a shadow below your text by coming to your shadow, enable it. Okay, after enabling it, reduce these videos and bring it down. I think this is going down. No, it's not going down. This one is the horizontal. No, according to the mathematics, y is vertical, y is horizontal. So it's coming down a little bit. I think I'm okay with that. Let me reduce this radius. I want it to just little blur it to here. I'm okay with that. Okay, I want to make sure it's somewhat transparent. Let me reduce this darkness. So I need it to be dark. Yeah. Okay, I think I'm okay with that. It's too dark. It's too dark. I want to. Let me. Need to. Okay, I think this is okay. Or I should decrease the opacity more. Okay, this is okay now. It's fine. Okay, so you type in your text. I choose from the code because I don't know what to type in, so I just choose from the codes. Yeah, I choose motivation or I choose happiness. Yeah, I choose any quotes. You can choose any quotes that you actually like. I choose this, that happiness is not a goal, it is a byproduct. So now I will choose my font for it. Choose my font for it. Come to your font instantly, and yeah, there's the font. Okay, so come to your style. You utilize it by clicking this eye. Now you can reduce the sizes. Reduce the sizes. Reduce the size. Reduce the size. I think okay. That's the I noticed that there is a lot of space between the text, so I want to reduce the spaces by coming to my line spacing and clicking, reducing it a little bit. This one. Okay, I think I'm okay with this. Now, remember, put it in alignment. Use your alignment. So, yeah. So, let's see if I can reduce to 15. All we're trying to achieve is just make it visible so that people can see. I forgot something. You put it. your relative position, yeah, so that it could be in the center. Yeah, the same thing applicable to this relative position. Yeah, the center now. Good. Okay, now let's choose a circle. We're going to pull a circle within this side. Let me draw my circle. Let me first look at this one to know entirely. Okay, yeah, choose this, decrease the opacity. I think it's right. Now this stock, you can see now stock rate should be 2. So I think this is enough. I'll choose white color. This is color, yeah. Okay, now come give it this kind of shape. Increase this. Oh, it seems as if it's not, don't want to show. Try to increase it again. Increase the stock in that tutorial and click on OK to make it show. Okay, just don't mind the text for now. Don't mind the text for now. Okay, relative position, center. Bring it up a little by using this position. Good. Come to your text. I've checked it. I notice I've checked it. So let me adjust the drag and come to your text. Bring your text downward by clicking on position. Adjust your text downward. Yeah. So if I adjusted that, you have done that. So you come to this and copy this by clicking copy here and bring it down again. I just want to make it double. So you come to position. Okay, position. I think this is okay. Just to the side. Okay, and this is okay. So okay, now we want to do another thing. Copy this smile text. Copy the smile text. Copy. Now come to copy. Yeah, you copy it here. Now remove the shadow. Come to your shadow. Disable it. So now the text now remain. Drag the text. Then make sure it's big. Switch the side and down the side. So okay, now this is the position. Relative position center. So now let us come to this. We remove the color by decreasing the opacity. So how can we do that? You come to color, you come to the side and move this side, move this one to the side, and that's all. Come to stroke. So now click on the stroke, decrease the stroke to 0 and choose white. Now you can see that you can actually choose that other color also, the color we give the thing, like clicking on this, dragging this, and once you choose this, okay, choosing the lighter part of it to make it visible. I think that's all. We are done with this design, and I believe you actually learn from this. Okay, you actually learn from this. So thank you for watching. Meet you in the next lesson, next tutorial.